So we have Jules Apostol. Jules flew in all the way from Northern California to attend our private license details our training seminar. He actually took my business training online, my 24 videos online. So he did the business training at home. Then he hopped on a flight to come here to Pittsburgh. So what did you think of what would you think of the business videos?
The business videos, they prepare me for starting my own business. That's what all I needed to start my
So you got a
business.
lot of good information
Yeah,
on how
I
to
got a lot
start the
of,
business with the
yeah,
videos?
yeah, everything I need, from setting up
The
registration,
LLC,
the
the
papers,
registration,
yeah,
to the
and then the
marketing, to
strategies,
the
marketing
strategy.
strategies.
Excellent,
Yeah,
excellent. So it definitely helped you.
yeah.
So you had Chase be your trainer on Saturday for the exterior training of this Kia, which you did a fabulous job on. What did you think of the wash up procedure, the paint correction, and the coating procedures?
It's not an easy job, but with the proper steps, guidance, and techniques I learned, it makes it easier. And every small details is important.
Absolutely. Do you think you have more confidence now that you can go back, okay, get your business started, and you have more confidence with what you're doing?
Yeah, definitely.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So, what about the interior day with my man here, Cole? He's senior trainer. Did the interior training and the headlight restoration training. What did you think of that?
Interiors, uh, I get a lot of more satisfaction seeing that
Sure.
the car is
It was really bad.
really bad before, and now it gets cleaner, nicer look.
And you preserved it too with the coating too.
Yeah,
So probably increased the value of this thing by $2,000.
yeah.
So you're
It
happy
looks
with the
brand
training?
new. Yeah,
Excellent.
happy.
Would you refer others to come to our class as long as they're not a competitor of yours?
Of course, even if they're competitors,
My man.
that's all right.
What a heart.
Yeah.
All right. So, Joel, you are now Detail Czar certified, man.
Thank you
Be
so
able to
much.
go out and make a lot of money. Great.
Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much.
much. You're a great student. Thank you.